Hello everybody, Jeff here. Hey, I just wanted to give you guys all a quick update here on a product that we had been following throughout all of the previous Black Friday season here just a couple of months ago. And this of course is that DeWalt LED rechargeable work light, the one that's on the tripod here that you see here. Now compared to the Milwaukee Rocket light, this one here, it's saying $219 is the selling price right now at Lowe's. And I believe we got it as low as $179 during the Black Friday sale. And remember, this is tool only, and this has 3 brightness settings, and it's 3,000 lumens. So this is brighter than that Milwaukee Rocket light, which is only 2,500 lumens. So what I wanted to show you was our friend TK29 tipped me off to this yesterday. So big shout out to him. So over here on Acme Tools, you can see they have this DeWalt light tower here right now. Again, same deal, tool only, and it's $159. Now when he wrote me yesterday, he said it was $139. So I don't know if it was cheaper yesterday or if there was something different going on, but at least now they're showing it at $159, which is still a pretty good price because this is $40 cheaper than what Milwaukee is charging for that same light here. Let me see if I can find it over here. Yeah, see right here on Acme, the same website. So Milwaukee is selling the same exact light here for $199, tool only. So to get this for $159 is a pretty good deal. And I like the DeWalt better anyway because it's got 500 extra lumens. So it's about a light bulb brighter than the other tower light there from Milwaukee on that Rocket light. Okay, so now the other deal I want to tell you about, our other friend BBR2, shout out to BBR2 for this one. He showed us about this one here at Home Depot yesterday, and this is the kit number here from Milwaukee. So I'm going to find the part here, the tool kit here. So here it is, it's the M18, this is a cordless combo tool kit here. That's a 5 tool kit here with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. And this one here is $299, so it's 40% off as a special buy here. So they've taken $200 off the price of this kit. So just wanted to let you know about these two here. And this does not appear on any of the other sites. So I believe this is a Home Depot exclusive kit. Because if I come back over here to Acme and try to enter this into the search there, you can see it brings up some other, it's not the same kit number, but they pick one similar. That's just a tool combo kit here. So they don't have it, and International Tools doesn't have it either. So I wanted to just make sure if anybody was looking for a 5 tool combo kit here, that there's a reasonably decent price on this one here. And then also tonight at 8:30, we're going to be premiering our latest video here. We're going to show you 2 different methods to tighten those loose electrical outlets that you get on the wall. Do you ever plug something in and it either pushes the outlet receptacle in or it pulls it away from the wall when you're trying to unplug it? That's just very annoying. But we're going to show you how to fix this dangerous situation. This came out in a friend of ours' house who was in the final stages of being sold. They were under contract, and the buyer's inspector came in and found a couple of these loose outlets. So my friend called me in to come in and fix those here. So that premieres tonight at 8:30 p.m. You can see the time right there. And then also I wanted to remind you folks, if you haven't been to our other channel here on YouTube, carbuyingtips.com, so you just spell it like this, carbuyingtips.com. Make sure you head over there and take a look. So we've been assembling a whole lot of videos on there lately, different types of car repairs, and you can see here we're doing product reviews. We do a lot of different competitions between different products to see which car maintenance products work the best for you. And we're starting to port over from our website. We're turning our blogs into videos, and we're teaching you about the car dealer scams here and the fees and how to read through all of it, and we're showing you about online scams that you're likely to find. So you're going to see a lot more videos showing up related to car buying and leasing and financing and all of the scams to avoid and everything. So if you haven't been to our channel over here, carbuyingtips.com, make sure you come over here and subscribe there, and then click the gray bell icon so you'll be alerted whenever we upload a new video, because you don't want to miss any of these videos. These are really, really good videos here. And since 1999, we've been online with our team of consumer advocates who's been advising you, the car buying public, on how to avoid all the different car dealer scams here. So you'll see some of our older videos. We're bringing in a lot of new ones that we're working on too. So anyway, we hope you enjoy that. And let me just get back here to the DeWalt and show you the difference in price. So right now it's back up to $219 at Lowe's, and it is $159 right now on Acme tools. So these are the two products that we wanted to give you a quick timely alert on, and we hope to see you tonight at 8:30 on our premiere on my current channel here, and we'll see you folks later. Have a great day. Bye.